We flew from Turkey, Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Dubai, full Balkan road trip in Madrid, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, of all places, Uzbekistan, Portugal, Berlin,
Morocco too.
Morocco, we did Egypt, Qatar. It's all in the same year. If you are one of those travelers that wants to travel for a month or longer in multiple destinations, this video is for you. We will show you exactly how to pack light so that you can have a personal item, not a carry-on, not a checked-in, a personal item for free every single country you go to. Doing this can single-handedly help you stay longer. What's up, travelers? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be tackling the packing challenge. 1 month of travel in these personal size bags. No checked bags, no carry-ons, just you, your stuff, and your tickets.
And whether you're traveling across Europe or Southeast Asia and you're just trying to get past those baggage fees, this video is for you. Spoiler alert, you're gonna hate how simple this is.
Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be packing like a pro and people are gonna ask you how the hell you do it. Let's go. So a little bit about us. We're a newlywed couple from California and we've traveled about 70 plus countries.
And we've lived abroad.
I
Right?
wish it was easier just to move lightly and faster, you know? And how can we save money while traveling to all these different countries?
But also have that romance factor of it, right?
Oh yeah.
Because I like to be a little bougie too, he's traveling with a girl.
So,
yeah.
2024, we went to 40 countries in about 5 months. It is gonna burn your wallet. If you are one of those travelers that want to spend a longer amount of time overseas and not have to come back home because your pockets are running dry, doing this can single-handedly help you stay longer. For example, picture this we stationed in Turkey. That's where we, where we stay in Turkey?
We were in Izmir, Turkey. So beautiful there, you guys. Have to check it out. It's a little south of Istanbul.
But once we got there, about maybe 4 days into Izmir,
We were a little bored.
we got a little bored, not gonna lie.
It's so sad. We got a little bored.
And we just said, hey, we're already at the center of the world. We might as well hit up all these countries. It's just so tempting, right? Like you think you're gonna stay in one place, but you don't want to because it's so much closer. We flew from Turkey to Georgia. We flew from Georgia, Armenia. We visited Azerbaijan. We went to Dubai. We went all throughout the Balkans. We did a full Balkan road trip. Check that out. I'll put it in the link below. And we went to Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, of all places, Uzbekistan. We traveled Western Europe. We did Madrid, Portugal. We did Berlin,
Morocco too.
Morocco. We did Egypt, Qatar. We did this all in the same year.
That's insane, right? We're crazy.
Subscribe if you want to see that. But in that trip, can you imagine how much money we'd be spending on luggage in order to make that trip happen? If we brought luggage on every single airline trying to charge us $50 to $60 a pop, and they're not cheap.
No.
It adds up. So this is why we are bringing you this video today, is if you are one of those travelers that wants to travel for a month or longer in multiple destinations, this video is for you. We will show you exactly how to pack light so that you can have a personal item, not a carry-on, not a checked-in, a personal item for free every single country you go to. All right, so for some context, our mentality when we pack light is we just take the bare necessities. Our mentality is, hey, we could just buy everything there. So save it in your budget. The toiletries, like the body wash, shampoo, conditioner. You're probably thinking, should I pack some swimming trunks, right? Do I need extra this, extra that? Take the bare necessities and have it in your mind that you can always buy shirts wherever you go.
Not only that, though, you can also just do laundry. That's what we do when we're out. We bring things, we also wash it.
Yeah. So with that being said, we're going to show you how light we pack. We're going to give you a count on how many of each item that we bring. And then hopefully by the end of this video, you will see that it is very easy to travel for 1 month off a single backpack without having to pay the ridiculous airport fees, check bags, and all that shit. All right, fellas, this is it. You're looking at it right here. This is all we're gonna bring. So what we have here is we got 7 pairs of boxers. That's 1 for every day of the week. We're bringing 5 t-shirts. You're gonna bring 1 for going out, a nice little fancy one. You got 3, maybe about 3 sweat ones, walk around, gym ones. They're dry fit. I wear black because it doesn't get stained. That means I could reuse them all I want to, and you can't really tell. And then I got 1 just casual going out to the bars, different color shirt that looks, really good. So for the bottoms, I got a pair of shorts. They call them gym shorts, walking around shorts, whatever you're gonna do shorts. I got some casual wear shorts that are like half sporty, half just like nice and casual that you can walk around with, super comfortable, nice pockets. And then I got a pair of pants, right? I don't really use pants as much, but if I'm gonna bring a pair of pants, maybe you're gonna go out to a nice dinner or something like that, I just throw it in there, and that's that. For the jackets, I got a really light Columbia windbreaker. I can't stress this enough. This is the best jacket to bring. It's super airy, light, it does the job, it keeps you warm. And then if you want to pack something in really tight, a sweater is going to hold you back with a backpack like that. So I would recommend getting yourself one of these right here. I also got 5 pair of socks. You can reuse socks. Socks are one of those things where if you know you're going to walk around for a couple days, it doesn't really matter. Just reuse 1 pair of socks. And then when you go out and do stuff, you want to be fresh, get another one. But again, laundry is the best way to do it. For my toiletries, I keep it simple. One of the really good parts about traveling as a couple is that you exchange who brings what. So you notice there's no toothpaste here. I would bring a personal one, but my wife got that, so that's that. I got deodorant, toothbrush, razor blades, cologne, and then I got myself a brush. That's really all I need. If you need other stuff, you still have room to where it fits. I got my laptop because my laptop I like to do my work. Some of you guys do too. And then most importantly, don't forget your belt. If you got some kids that are acting up and you need to give them a little whooping and a spanking, you can't forget your belt. This is important. And that's it. This is what I bring. This is all I'm gonna do. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and fit that in the backpack. Oh wait, don't let me forget. Crocs, baby, let's go. I bring my Crocs everywhere I go. My Crocs are the most comfortable travel shoes. Crocs, if you're watching this, go ahead and give us a sponsor, but Crocs are the best travel shoes, and I cannot state that enough. If you watch any of our videos, you'll see us in our Crocs. So I'm gonna fit all this stuff in that backpack right now.
So for the girls, we're going to bring a lot more than the boys. We have 5 different pairs of shirts. 4 of them are for walking around town. 1 of them's for going out to the clubs. I also have 10 pairs of underwears. I'm not worrying too much, you guys, because these are very light to pack. I have 1 really cute outfit for any of your photo spots that you want to do around town. I also have 2 pairs of pants and 1 skirt for like going out to clubs or looking cute. I have 5 different socks, and then I'll have my my little utility bag here with my shampoo, my toothpaste. I have my makeup bag, and my curling iron here, and my contour kit, as well as my brush. And I have one pair of pajamas, and we can't forget the Crocs, you guys. The Crocs are really essential for just walking around town. You can wash these things, get them wet, as well as one bra. And now we're gonna put all of this in the bag and see if it all fits.
All you need is gonna be shoes. Comfortable walking shoes. You'll be wearing these, so no need to put inside your backpack. And that is it. This is how we pack light for a 1 month trip.
And I used to be the girl that would bring every single thing with me, but now I know that the Airbnbs have lotion, they have, your body wash, anything that you need, but you also can just buy everything that you need. So if you need a going out outfit, there's stores out there, you guys. You don't have to bring everything from your closet.
Yeah, so if you guys are going to be traveling, some of you guys travel Airbnbs, that's our travel accommodation of choice. We always make sure, do they have a laundromat? If they don't, no big deal. Is there any around? Do they have these things that, the ladies usually need? Do they have all that stuff there, right? A luggage?
We don't need to be bringing...
It just does not do
you
it for
guys,
us.
especially if you're in Italy and you're in those cobblestone streets, we're not bringing a luggage through there. We are not going to be rolling that thing down the streets. We're going to bring a backpack.
And if you got a group, right, you're going to have to take separate taxis because your luggage don't all fit.
That's the worst.
Just travel light. Hopefully you guys learned something, and let us know what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see any other videos on anything else? Did we hit the targets? Are we missing anything? Did we forget to pack something, And that's it.
1 month of travel, all packed in this little bag. Why check a bag when you can pack smart and light, right?
Yeah. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We got plenty more travel tips, tricks, and adventures coming your way. And hey, if you guys have your own packing hacks, crazy minimalist travel stories, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you make it work. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.